Oh God, no, 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 not today. Not today.
Oh my God.
Oh, hi, Pookie. You have to meet my bird, Pookie.
Please, just leave me alone.
Say hi, Pookie. Say hi. 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 He's super smart. He totally knows I'm saying hi.
Really? Truth? Bible?
Hi.
God, please don't make me do this.
Hi, Pookie.
What? Hi.
OMG, that's so cray. Hashtag wildlife.
I gotta Instagram this.
OMG, me too.
Pookie want a cracker.
Wait, are you asking me, or should I repeat that?
Come on, Pookie.
I don't even know what you're asking.
Who's a pretty birdie?
Okay, you're both talking now.
Pookie want a cracker.
Look, I can't talk to you at the same time.
Pookie wants a cracker.
Guys, I really don't need this today, okay? Look, I don't have to take this from you. I'm the most intelligent bird on this planet. I'm a goddamn wild animal. There, I'm a pretty birdie. Is that what you want from me? Huh? Huh? I'm a fucking beautiful birdie.